Alright, Chevy fans, let's take a look at this Impala. 1962 Chevrolet Impala SS. Two-door hardtop, otherwise known as Sport Coupe. This particular car is powered by the 327 Hypo 300 horsepower V8 underneath the hood. That is a numbers matching engine. You'll be able to check that stamp out in our still pictures where it's stamped on the block behind the alternator. You'll also be able to see the data plate, which is going to tell you this was originally a 900 paint code car, which would be tuxedo black. It's also going to tell you 875 on the trim code, which would be red vinyl interior. You're also going to see where it says Sport on that data plate, confirming this is a true SS car. Now remember, you can check out the still pictures at uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. You can always call us too, 507-386-1726. Come up here, take a look at the chrome and the bright work. Nice reflection in that chrome. Bright work does not appear to be dinged, dented, anything like that. As far as the paint, it's black. You're going to be able to find a few light scratches here and there on it, but overall, take a look at this. I'm going to go from the rear to the front of the car. Now, note the trim piece that goes along that body line. That bright work is not dinged or dented. Look at the reflection in that paint, and you can see that it's not wavy. You don't see a bunch of poor workmanship in that. Appears to be a very straight car. Now, interior has also been redone. Red vinyl, of course, like I mentioned earlier. And just take a look at the condition of that. Of course, bucket seats, center console. You know what that handle is. Now, as far as the accessories, played around with those a little before doing this video. Radio works, horn works, wipers work, blower fan worked. It's going to be ready to go down the road. Now remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. We can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Take a look at the bright work and the chrome on the rear of the car here. And again, take a look at the reflection of the ceiling off that trunk lid. So you can tell the paint has a nice luster to it, good shine. And again, check out the still pictures. You'll be able to check out that data tag I'm talking about. You'll be able to see the VIN plate. If you decode that, it's going to tell you it's a 62 original V8 car, two-door Sport Coupe. This is actually an Atlanta-built car, and again, true SS. You're going to see that from that data plate. Still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. That's going to take you right there. I'm going to walk you down this driver's side too. Showroom behind me. Bright work. You just do not see dings, dents in that bright work, and you can see the black paint. It's not wavy. This car shows well. Take it to any of your local cruise-ins or shows. Be proud of this one. Riding on American Racing polished 5-spoke wheels, BF Goodrich radials. Alright, let's get to the good stuff. Let's check out the interior, get this thing running. We'll check out underneath the hood. Red stands out. Just fantastic with the black exterior. And again, you can see now, full of rips, tears, showing any excessive wear. Headliner also in nice shape on this one. Alright, let's fire it up. Look at this. Cold light even working. Of course, this would be the hot light if it started to get too warm. I mentioned the wipers work. Let's check those out. Wipers work. I also mentioned the radio. Again, AM radio. Hear that? Working fine. Blower fan. You can hear that. Also runs. Mentioned the horn. Horn works. One thing I noticed, clock did. Otherwise, looks like the fuel gauge works. Odometer shows 50,000. What, 26 miles? Cannot confirm or deny if that's original miles or not, since it doesn't stay with the title once the car becomes a certain age. No crazy cam, no crazy exhaust. That's what you'd expect a nice 327 to sound like. Alright, let's go up front here. I'm going to pop the hood open. Let's see what it sounds like.
Hey, did you know that this car qualifies for an extended warranty? It's just like the one you get at your new car dealership, except it covers your classic car instead. It covers all the major components like engine, transmission, drivetrain, and you can get coverage up to 10 years. Repairs aren't cheap. These extended warranties are a no-brainer. Contact us for a quote on this car today.
There you go. There's a 327. I pull 300 horsepower. 327 at that, which I believe was SB suffix code. Right down here on the block where the stamping is. Again, you're going to see that in the still pictures. Check those out. That's going to tell you. It's going to show you that partial VIN on there, where you can confirm its numbers matching. Back down here, which you can't see, is where the data plate is. There's a close-up picture of that also, and you'll be able to check that out in the still pictures. Once again, the still pictures, uniqueclassiccars.com. Down below this video in the description, there's a link. Click on it. It's going to take you right to our website. And remember, we do consider trades. Financing is available. Of course, we can assist with transportation, and this vehicle may be eligible for an extended service contract. Give us a call, 507-386-1726, 1962 Chevrolet Impala SS. Two-door hardtop or sport coupe. Still in its original color of tuxedo black and red vinyl interior. Standing tall, looking good.